Hello my friend, how are you? Today in this tutorial I will show you the motion animation in PowerPoint. Let's start. First take one blank slide. I already download one picture from the online. First we'll change the background. I want dark color. Okay, then I will make the path. Okay. With this one. Fill and shape outline, white color. Okay, this one, go to font. I go to animation and go to find the loop function. We have to change the path. Then I will add animation. Actually, I want on show the round one. You see, now it is not round. Okay, I go to effect function. I don't want this one. Duration I need 8 seconds. Okay, and this one half spin, counterwise, timing with previous, no delay. Okay, and this one go to effect, full spin, counterwise. Okay, previous, delay 2 seconds, and this one duration 6 seconds. And duration 4 seconds. This one is to previous, half spin, previous, this one delays 6 seconds, duration 2 seconds. Okay, so let's check. If you like this video, then like and comment in our video, and if you want further tutorial, just comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.